Hello everyone, welcome to another Clickbank video. Now today in this video I will show you, can you connect Clickbank to PayPal? Well, actually yes, you actually can, and there is a bunch of requirements that you actually need to meet in order to connect PayPal and Clickbank together, or PayPal to Clickbank basically. So as you can see, you must meet the following criteria in order to offer PayPal as a payment method. So you must be an active Clickbank seller and have completed at least one-time activation fee. Also, you must have a Clickbank master account, so you can check out what master account means. The product currency and currency for the sale must be in US dollars, and you must have USD as an accepted currency in your PayPal account. All products in a given offer, with the exception of free trials, must have sales price greater than or equal to $7. This includes all upsell flows and order bumps. And then the full offer, including any subscription products and upsell flows, cannot contain an affiliate commission rate over 90%. Now, the offer cannot contain a traditional or upsell joint venture or JV or an affiliate referral contract. Now, the offer also cannot include products that exist in another account nickname, even if that account nickname is linked to the same primary account. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of requirements to actually go and connect Clickbank to PayPal. Now, as you can see, if you wish, you offer PayPal and orders containing products priced below $7, the following price and commission thresholds apply, as you can see right here. So, provided all the above qualifications are met, PayPal is available on free trials, as you can see. Now, keep in mind the Clickbank fees for PayPal transactions are 5%, which are pretty hefty, Clickbank fees for all other transactions are 7.5% plus $1, which are even more increased, as you can see right here. So that's pretty much what you want to know before you want to go and connect Clickbank to PayPal. If you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below your questions, and we'll see you in the next video.